We got a heavy crate here and it has the TUF A15. We're going to be unboxing it today. So guys, let's unbox this now. Guys, do support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel to make more tech videos like this. Okay, so let's open this crate up. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. We got the stickers there. Cool stickers, but I don't think I'll be putting it on this PC because I need to be using this for my school and college. Yeah, so let's keep this laptop aside and let's see what's inside the box first. Few manuals which no one will read, and we got the cable plug, and here we got the 180 watt adapter which is going to be powering our RTX 3050 and Ryzen 4800H. So here we have the PC. Just open it up. Get it out. Okay, let's open it. Okay, first of all, let's see the specs of this PC. So it has a Ryzen 4800H, which is an 8-core CPU, and RTX 3050 GPU, which is an entry-level RTX lineup GPU. So obviously you can't do RTX gameplay on it, but you can get DLSS improvement in FPS and can get high settings and medium settings gameplay through this. And about the display, it's an 1080p 144Hz display, and you get RGB keyboard, which is a mediocre RGB thing, not a high-end one, because obviously this is a budget lineup of ASUS gaming PCs. And you get a 8GB RAM stick. There are 2 slots, only 1 slot is filled in it, and you can upgrade it to 32 gigs. And you also get 2 SSD slots. 1 slot is filled with 512 gigs. And yeah, and you also get a battery with 90 watt per hour capacity. You will get a decent battery life even if it's a gaming PC. And one more thing guys, this doesn't have a mux switch, and the port to which this dedicated GPU is connected is not the HDMI port, but it's the C-type port. I don't know why they did that, but if you want an extra FPS boost through your external monitor, you need to get an adapter and connect it to the C-type rather than the HDMI port. That's it guys, this is all for the specs of the PC. So guys, now let's see the ports of this PC. So here in the left side, according to me this is the left side right now, so we have a Kensington lock and a USB 3.0 port here. And at the right side we have a charging port, Ethernet cable, a HDMI, 2 USB 3.0 A-type ports, and a C-type port, and a headphone jack. So that's it for this. We don't have an SD card slot in this. They should have put it. I guess there might be a space, but I guess like there are speakers here, so they couldn't put it. But I wish they put it, because for people who use cameras and all, that'll be helpful. Though I use the phone itself because I can't afford it right now. So guys, now let's see a couple of benchmarks which I did on this PC. Now we have the Tomb Raider benchmark. This is the score. It might vary for different models and different conditions according to climate, and like if you have some bloatware and stuff like that. This benchmark was done when I had 16 GB RAM, so I would suggest you get 16 GB. You might get a FPS boost. But yeah, this is the score. Now let's see the Cinebench score, Cinebench R23 score. So this is the score. This was also done when I had 16 gigs, but I don't think RAM will matter for the Cinebench score. But yeah, here's the score for the Cinebench. You can check this with other PCs and all. So guys, yeah, I have used this PC for a year and I'm doing this video after a year. So yeah, let's see the review. So this is my review. This is what is my opinion on this. To state the review in one sentence, this PC is good for entry-level gaming and content creation and many multi-core processes which you want to do, work you want to do in this, because it has an 8-core CPU. But only thing is that it heats up a bit. Its cooling is not as par with the Omen. Obviously Omen is like the premium end, but yeah, it should have got a bit more cooling. But yeah, it's fine with this amount of cooling, but it will got more performance. It throttles a bit after some time. If you're buying this PC for only gaming, I would not recommend this laptop. But if you're doing gaming and want to do a lot of content creation or something which needs a lot of cores, so you can go for this PC. Yeah, there are a lot of PCs at this range, so do check them out also. But this reviews on this PC and how it has been for me for a year, and I feel this is working pretty good. So if you want to see what are the upgradable options and how to upgrade this PC, you can watch this video. So go ahead, watch this video.